First question is the who has the power to regulate the right of citizenship in India? A. Supreme Court. B. President. C. Governor. D. Parliament. Correct answer is the D. Parliament. Next question is the in which year has India hosted the Asian Games for the first time? A. 1948. B. 1951. C. 1960. D. 1949. Correct answer is the B. 1951. Next question is the who among the following was the author of Brihat Katha Kosh? A. Dandin. B. Harisena. C. Shemendra. D. Bhavbhuti. Correct answer is the B. Harisena. Next question is the Langveer Nritya is a folk dance from the state of A. Haryana. B. Gujarat. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is the D. Uttarakhand. Next question. Geoid is the of the earth. A. Shape. B. Axis. C. Color. D. Orbit. Correct answer is the A. Shape. Next question is the who was the founder of Arya Samaj? A. Ravindranath Tagore. B. Dayanand Saraswati. C. Keshup Chandra Sen. D. Swami Vivekanand. Correct answer is the B. Dayanand Saraswati. Next question is the Daler Mehndi is primarily a famous singer of a pop song in which Indian language? A. English. B. Punjabi. C. Hindi. D. Bengali. Correct answer is the B. Punjabi. Next question is the 5-year plans for India with their duration are given below. Which of the following is correct matched? First, second 5-year plan 1956 to 57 to 1960 to 61. Third 5-year plan 1961 to 62 to 1965 to 66. Fourth 5-year plan 1966 to 67 to 1970 to 71. The correct option A both A and B. B both A and C. C only C. D both A and C. The correct answer is the A both A and B. Next question is the which of the following states or union states has first 100% fully digital literate panchayat in India? A. Delhi. B. Puducherry. C. Maharashtra. D. Kerala. Correct answer is the D. Kerala. Next question is the Sakwa is a religious festival celebrated by the Kirat Khambu Rai community of A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Sikkim. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Goa. Correct answer is the B. Sikkim. Next question is the growth rate of India's population has been declining since A. 1971. B. 1991. C. 1951. D. 1981. The correct answer is the D. 1981. Next question is according to the census of India 2011, most people has out migrate from A. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. B. Rajasthan and Gujarat. C. Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. D. Maharashtra and Gujarat. Correct answer is the A. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Next question is the National Institute of Mountaineering and Adventure Sports is located at A. Mizoram. B. Nagaland. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is the D. Arunachal Pradesh. Next question is how many squares are there on a chessboard? A. 69. B. 67. C. 68. D. 64. Correct answer is the D. 64. Next question is in which part of the Constitution will you find the 6 broad categories of fundamental rights? A. part first, B part third, C part fourth, part D part second. The correct answer is the B part third. Next question is the financial year is India starts from 1st April and ends on A 30 June, B 31st March, C 31 July, D 31 May. The correct answer is the B 31 March. Next question is the what is the balance of trade of a country? A ratio of international trade, B number of exports, C difference between import and export, D numbers of imports. The correct answer is the C difference between imports and export. Next question is the peninsular plateau of India was a part of which continent earlier? A. South Africa, B. Europe, C. Africa, D. North America. The correct answer is the C. Africa. Next question is the dash at market price refers to the sum total of a factor incomes imaged by resistance of a country during an accounting year including net indirect taxes. A. Net domestic product NDP, B. Gross domestic product GDP, C. Gross national product GNP, net national product NNP. The correct answer is the C. Gross national product GNP. Next question is the according to the census of India 2011, which group of Indias has the least urban population? A. Himachal Pradesh and Meghalaya, B. Himachal Pradesh and Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, D. Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. The correct answer is the A. Himachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. Next question is the this was an Indian dancer and the choreographer best known for creating a fusion style of dance adapting European theatrical techniques to Indian classical and folk dance forms. First, Samita Nagdev, B. Ravi Shankar, C. Sovna Narayan, D. Uday Shankar. The correct answer is the D. Uday Shankar. Next question is the who among the following wrote the popular Telugu patriotic song Desamunu Primunuchumana Manchi Anadi or Penchumana, meaning love the nation, grow the godness. The correct answer is options A. Goparaju Ramchandra Rao, B. Guru Jada Apparao, C. Sri Krishna Dev Arya, B. Bhamar Potana. The correct answer is the B. Gajrada Apparao. The next question is the Lakshmibai National Institute of Physical Education LNIPE is located at Madhya Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Haryana, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is the A. Madhya Pradesh. Next question is the which of the following districts of the India has the highest literacy rate at per census 2011? A. Champhal, B. Sarchip, C. Idukki, D. Imkulam. The correct answer is the B. Sarchip. Next question is the how many countries participated in the first Asian Games held in 1917? A. 20 countries, B. 11 countries, C. 16 countries, D. 21 countries. The correct answer is the B. 11 countries. The next question is the Beast Doab Canal system and the Makhu Canal system are associated with which state of India? A. Punjab, B. Assam, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Gujarat. The correct answer is the A. Punjab. Next question is the on August 2011 the Parliament has passed the Limited Liability Partnership Amendments Bill 2021 is amended the A. Limited Liability Partnership Act 2012, B. Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, 3. Limited Liability Partnership Act 2004, D. Limited Liability Partnership Act 2016. The correct answer is the second, Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Next question is the in which year did Eric A. Cornell Wolfgang Catalia and the Carl E. Women received the Nobel Prize in Physics for the achieving Bose-Einstein coordination in the dilute gases of alkali atom? A. 2002, B. 2000, C. 2001, D. 2003. The correct answer is the C. 2001. Next question is the in which judgment did the Supreme Court extend the scope of Article 21 and observed that the right to education flows directly from the right to life? A. Kharak Singh v. State of UP, B. Malak Singh, State of Punjab, C. Mohini Jain, State of Karnataka, D. Nirja Chaudhary, State of MP. The correct answer is the C. Mohini Jain, State of Karnataka. Next question is the when did the first war of Indian independence starts? A. 1819, B. 1887, C. 1857, D. 1839. The correct answer is the C. 1857. Next question is the in a dihybrid cross between two heterogeneous fruits flies with brown bodies and red races, what will be the probability of getting BBEE genotype? A. 1 by 16, B. 1 by 4, C. 1 by 8, D. 1 by 2. The correct answer is the A. 1 by 16. Next question is the which of the following article was amendment by the Constitution 15th Amendment Act 1984? A. Article 56, B. Article 33, C. Article 78, D. Article 99. The correct answer is the Article 33. Next question is the Dace has called the right to constitutional remedy as the soul of the Constitution. A. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, B. Lala Rajpat Rai, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is the A. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Next question is the which type of soil is found on about 40% of the total area of India? A. Black soil, B. Red and yellow soil, C. Laterite soil, D. Alluvial soil. The correct answer is the D. Alluvial soil. Next question is the which of the following musical forms in Carnatic classical is the simplest composition of raga? A. Varnam, B. Pada, C. Gitam, D. Kirtanam. The correct answer is the C. Gitam. Next question is the how can you insert a blank row at the top of a worksheet? A. Right click on the wrong number and the select insert. B. Drag the mouse on the row border to select the row and click insert in the cells group on the home tab. C. Click on the row number and trace the insert key on the keyboard. D. Click on the row number and press the delete key on the keyboard. The correct answer is the A. Right click on the wrong number and select insert. Next question is the which of the following was a feature of the Indian economy before the British rule? A. Prosperous economy, B. Self-reliant economy, C. Dependent economy, D. Independent economy. The correct answer is the D. Independent economy. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द इन कबड्डी ए सुपर रेडर इज ए कैच या सेल्फ आउट या डिक्लेयर्ड आउट with or less than how many defenders defending? A 4 defenders, B 3 defenders, C 6 defenders, D 5 defenders. The correct answer is the B 3 defenders. Next question is the Bali Yatra is a traditional cultural festival of which state? A Odisha, B Bihar, C West Bengal, D Assam. The correct answer is the A Odisha. Next question is the what is the color of the sending off card in football? A black, B red, C blue, D yellow. The correct answer is the B red. Next question is the Maldives are located to the south of which island of India? A Andaman Nicobar, B Lakshadweep, C Japan, D Sri Lanka. The correct answer is the Lakshadweep. Next question is the Muharram is the month of the Islamic calendar and is considered a holy month. A fourth month, B second month, C third month, D first month. The correct answer is the D first month. Next question is the fighting in the upright position in judo is called? A Techi Woja, B Knee Woja, C Esi Woja, D Kosi Woja. The correct answer is the A Techi Woja. Next question is the famous folk music Haikyuu has its origin in which state? A Tamil Nadu, B Nagaland, C Goa, D Assam. The correct answer is the B Nagaland. Next question is the at which place was the magnificent temple of Seva constructed by the great Rashtrakuta king Krishna first? A Kanchi, B Badami, C Knoj, D Ellora. The correct answer is the D Ellora. Next question is the which of the following articles of the Constitution states that it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people to Indian transcending religious, linguistic and the regional is or sectional diversities to renounce practice derogatory to the dignity of women. A 51 A B B 51 article A B C 51 1 A article C. सॉरी गलत लिख रखा है, यहाँ होगा 51 A D और 51 A भी आएगा और इसके अंदर भी A आएगा. सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा C 51 A E. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट फॉर्मूला फॉर द कैलकुलेटिंग एन NNP? A NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. B NNP is equal to GNP plus depreciation. C NNP is equal to GDP minus income. D NNP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. The correct answer is the A NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. Next question is the which of the following is the maximum file size that can be attached to be an email message in Gmail? A 100 MB, B 200 MB, C 50 MB, D 25 MB. The correct answer is the D 25 MB. Next question is the British government passed a law in the year 1856. It was meant for which among the following social reforms? A abolition of the practice of sati, B widow remarriage, C abolition of practice of child marriage, D law against murdering of female child. The correct answer is the B widow remarriage. Next question is the Goga is the famous ritualistic dance of which is the performed in the procession taken out in memory of Gugga Peer. A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. Haryana, D. Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is the C. Haryana. Next question is the Citizenship Act 1955 doesn't deal with A. termination, B. election, D. determination, C. accusation. The correct answer is the B. election.